Hey guys, welcome back to Dragon's Breath channel. I don't have much time, but something very cool happened now, and I'm going to go for it basically, and see what's gonna happen. So I'm going to get a bike that was sitting in the parking lot for 8 months, I think, and the battery is that it has about 20,000 kilometers on it or something like that. I don't know, but it's in very rough shape. I'm getting it for a good deal. It's just like a free canvas actually for me to try and repair it, mod it probably. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm not a mechanic. And I'm getting into this basically with just basic knowledge of things. So I'm going to figure out a lot of things along the way, and I will take you for a ride with me. I will show you the bike. And there it is. It's a Hyosung GT650R GTR 2007. It was sitting for 8 months outside here in Malta, on rain and everything. So I don't know if it starts, I don't know the mileage, I don't know everything. I just know that when I'm done with this bike, it's going to be amazing. So guys, this will be all for today. The bike is washed, at least the majority of dust and dirt was removed. I have a lot more cleaning to do, but it's not gonna happen until I disassemble the whole thing, so I can clean it both sides and everywhere where it needs to be cleaned. I can see that that the rims are in really bad shape, so they're probably gonna need to get repainted as well as a lot of other things. So we will see what will come from this bike. But for now, this is it. From tomorrow I'm going to start disassembling it, and we will see each other in the next one. Bye for now, and if you can, like, share and subscribe. Obviously it will help me out a lot. See ya.